Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to look back at your old Instagram stories, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view your stories archive on Instagram so you can relive your favorite moments or just check what you've shared in the past. This guide is fully updated for the latest Instagram app, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to view your archived stories. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look to the top right corner. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu or the hamburger icon. Tap on that to open up the main menu. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on the app, from your likes to your posts and, of course, your archives. Next, tap on Archived. This is where Instagram stores all your archived content, including stories, posts, and live videos that you've chosen to save instead of deleting. At the top of the archive page, you'll see a filter option. Tap on it, and a few choices will pop up. Select Stories Archive. This will filter the archive to show only your past Instagram stories, making it easy to scroll through everything you've shared. Now you can browse through your stories archive and even reshare your favorite moments, save them to your device, or just enjoy a trip down memory lane. If you want to switch between different types of archived content, just tap the filter again and choose another option. That's all it takes to view your stories archive on Instagram. It's a quick and easy way to revisit your memories and keep track of everything you've shared. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for mastering Instagram. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.